Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we meet again to continue our discussion in the introduction about Kingdom of Animalia. So before we proceed, I would like to recap, okay, again about the differences between body cavity types of body cavities for animals in the animal kingdom. So basically, as you can see from here, right? So the body cavity is divided into three different types. Okay, Coelomate, Pseudo Salami, and Salami. Okay, so as for Salami, right? You can see here the earthworm. So the earthworm is an example of animal in the phylum of Annelida. Alright, so Coelomate are animals that possess a true body cavity, or we call as coelom, right? Whereby the body cavity lines by tissue that completely derive from mesoderm layer. And you can see the body cavities is located within, okay, within the mesoderm layer. Okay, right. As for pseudosalamate, right? Okay, as for pseudosalamate, they are those animals, okay, that the body cavity is lined by tissue that derive from mesoderm and endoderm layer. So you can see that they are having actually a false body cavity, where the cavity is located between mesoderm layer and also endoderm layer. And last but not least, the coelomate. So coelomate are triploblastic animal, but remember again, alright, all those three, you can see these animal contain three different types of tissue, which we call as triploblastic. So they are having mesoderm layer, endoderm layer, and ectoderm layer. As for coelomate, alright, they are not having body cavity, right? They are lacking of body cavity. So they just composed of those three layers without any body cavity. Alright, so that's all about the recap. Now let's proceed to the next slide. Alright, so another features that differentiate each animals in the kingdom of Animalia is body segmentation. Okay, so segmentation means repeated body unit. Example, the segmentation that you can see in the earthworm, right? Which an example of an annelids in the phylum of Annelida. Alright, so as for vertebrates like other animals like chordata, alright, in vertebrates the backbone are segmented, as you can see from here. Alright, so for chordata or chordates, okay, for example animals like tigers, monkey, alright, and so on, they are having repeated unit of the backbone. Okay, alright, so you can see they are having cervical vertebrae, repeated cervical vertebrae, thoracic vertebrae, lumbar, and whatnot. Okay, and as for annelids, okay, you can see an example here is the earthworm. So they are having repeated unit of the body segmentation. Right, so you can see they are having a structure that we call as septum, that partition between the segment. So they are having repeated unit of this structure. So for detail, we are going to discuss later when we reach to the phylum of Annelida. Alright, so as conclusion, alright, animals in the kingdom of Animalia are characterized or categorized based on different characteristics. The first one, are they have body cavities? Are they having tissue? Right? So how many layers of tissue? Okay, and then what type of their symmetry? Are they having any body symmetry, or are they divided by they are having bilateral symmetry or radial symmetry? Okay, are they having body segmentation? Are they having cephalization, development of cephalization, and whatnot? So you can refer back to the previous videos to see all the characteristics. Alright, okay, that's all. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum.